You need only 350 Kaspa coins to be in the 1% of the population. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to see lots of interesting things around Kaspa that maybe will shock you on how early we are. Obviously, we're about to see what happened since yesterday in the price of Kaspa, in the rank, in the market cap, in the hash rate, in the top addresses. We're about to do our typical daily technical analysis. We're gonna see a couple interesting tweets that I would like to share with you, and with these tweets, you're gonna realize that how powerful is Kaspa and what is community-driven project and what's not. What's a project which is backed by venture capitalists and insiders vs a project like Kaspa. So the video today is going to be very interesting. And if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue our video, I would like to clarify you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa investor, or Kaspa holder, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa. And also, do not forget guys to check my Patreon group because here you're about to find my private Telegram community where you're going to have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything in that group. You can ask me your questions, your concerns, whenever you would like. I'm going to be there for you to reply these. And also, in this group, guys, we have got lots of multimillionaires, lots of guys with very high experience. And also, recently, we have got some crypto YouTubers. And altogether, we have built some great atmosphere, which is very helpful in all of us because we are in the same journey together and we are help each other. Also, in that group, you're about to find my crypto portfolio where you're gonna see how I handle my crypto because I'm an investor since 2016, so it's gonna be very helpful for you to prevent very big mistakes. And obviously, you're about to find my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So, as an overall, if you're looking to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical update around the prices, the rank and the market cap. Guys, the price remains almost in the same position, a little bit pullback since yesterday. Yesterday we were at 0.039 cents within 4 cents area. We were fluctuating at these prices. Today it seems that we have some pullback at 0.038 cents, but not something crazy, not something with big difference than yesterday, but also today after the rally of the Bitcoin up and above of $26,000. Also, the rest crypto market right now is doing a slight pullback. Maybe that's why we have got some very small liquidation for the Kaspa price too. The market cap remains 785 million, which is something that is still screaming accumulation. To repeat some words that which is for the new subscribers, more specifically, because I hope the old ones you have already understood that market cap and market cap under 1 billion is screaming for accumulation. Okay, under 1 billion market cap, the Kaspa is a big steal by the title, and as we're gonna discuss in the last part of the video, guys, we are so early, so do not miss these very low discount prices. Under 1 billion is a big steal, and the rank is at 48. Guys, this is astonishing. Before a couple hours, and more specifically yesterday, we were at ranked 46, 45, and you can clearly see how powerful is Kaspa. We are not backed by major top tier exchanges, and our competitors are above us. Okay, and Kaspa right now actually doing a bull run while we are in a bear market. Before like 4 or 5 weeks, Kaspa was at ranked 90, ranked 80, and right now Kaspa is under top 50 coins from a market cap perspective. And guys, the significant thing here is that we are not backed by major exchanges, which is crazy. Kaspa is standing where it's standing because the community, okay, because the power of the diamond hands. We buy and we never sell. That's why we are powerful, and also no one can dump us because no one can crash and no one can manipulate the price. And also I'm gonna speak for that thing by the end of the video because the last part is gonna be very, very interesting. And let's move on, guys, into the technical side, because from the technical side, as you know, we bounce in that support area that we were forming in this uptrend movement since early days of June. And as you can clearly see, we bounce, and at this area here, it was something that I was expecting. To remind you, I told you here, we forming a double bottom. Do not rely on technicals, especially in this head and shoulder pattern, because with the fundamentals, any news that can emerge, like a listing or whatever, I was telling you, that can pump the price of Kaspa and break this massive downtrend resistance, and the situation in the technical side can flip from bearish to bullish, as it happened. And right now the situation of Kaspa from the technical side is looking bullish because we broke this massive resistance of the downtrend movement, which was exactly this one, approximately the 0.03435 cents. That's why, guys, always keep in your mind when we are speaking for real projects like Kaspa, always rely more in fundamentals. Fundamentals are stronger than technicals. Do not rely in technicals. I saw lots of guys that sold under this line, under 0.035 cents. They sold here because they were expecting to see a formation of this head and shoulder, and it didn't happen, and right now they got wrecked. That's why I'm telling you to do dollar cost average. I was calling you to buy at these areas, okay, to avoid the swing trade and the trading at all. Just buy and hold, and you're gonna be very wealthy in 2025. No matter how much money you got right now, you're gonna be wealthy because the price of Kaspa is, I'm expecting minimum 100x from the current price. It can get up to 200x, 300x. It's one of the cryptos that I'm most convinced for. Okay, I can say it's in the same category as Bitcoin. The rest altcoins, maybe they're gonna do some 20x, 30x, in the best case scenario 50x. And we are speaking that we have the ultimate gem in front of us, the ultimate stateless money, the ultimate digital silver, and the ultimate project that can really flip Ethereum. Is the only Ethereum killer, the only project that can be in the rank 2. This project is Kaspa. Okay, why you should actually not invest right now and just wait? Because if you do that, you're gonna be super, super wealthy. And even if you are willing to hold until 2029 or even 2033, that's gonna be crazy. You don't even need to swing trade in the bull run to take the profits if you are inexperienced or you have fear for that. If you see the Kaspa for the long run, guys, and you can see Kaspa at 1 trillion or above, you don't even need to take profits at these prices because you can buy now under 1 billion and you can have Kaspa above 1 trillion and actually chill out for your rest of your life. Okay, generational wealth opportunity. And guys, a little bit for the next move, what I'm expecting from the technical side. I'm expecting, look, right now, it seems that we are forming like a bull flag. It's not perfect formation, but I believe that we're gonna move like in a consolidation phase. I deal with that again, this support line of this uptrend movement. And then it's gonna depend, okay, with any probable news that can emerge. We can pump, or if Bitcoin will pump at $27,000, $28,000 with any news, I believe that we can bounce. And guys, as you can clearly see, I told you that the next very, very strong support is the 0.042 cents, where actually we got rejected here. I told you the time that we're going to break this massive resistance, we're going to get straight into the levels of 0.047 cents, 0.048 cents, and prices like that. This is exactly what I'm expecting as the next move. But obviously, as I told you, I don't rely that much in technicals. We are just observing right now and evaluate each day about what happened since yesterday. Anyway, let's move on into the hash rate. Hash rate right now, the time that we are speaking is standing at 18 petahash per second, 18.09 petahash per second. But guys, before a couple hours, and I believe yesterday, we saw up to 19 and something petahash per second, which is astonishing. New all-time high almost every day due to the arrival of ASICs, something that we need for our protection. Okay, and also let's move to the top addresses, because you can clearly see the last 24 hours we saw almost all the categories in accumulation mode. um, we can also see here the top addresses, nothing significant that changed. I believe that Bybit also is at this top 10 addresses, okay, because I saw that they got approximately 838 million Kaspa coins in the pool. So yeah, maybe if they're gonna put that in a one wallet, or maybe they got that in multiple wallets, or maybe in the next coming days or weeks we're gonna see that all of these coins in one wallet. So yeah, Bybit is definitely well here, okay, in the top 10 addresses too. So as you understand, and this is something that I would like to say fast, guys, look at this. KuCoin, Mixi, Get.io are very close to 1 billion Kaspa coins. Also, Bybit is very close to 1 billion Kaspa coins, and you can clearly see that Kaspa has only 28 billion Kaspa coins. So even if this type of exchanges, which not so top tier one exchanges, got approximately 1 billion Kaspa coins each one, imagine how much Kaspa coins Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and all of these big exchanges, bigger exchanges than the current exist ones, how much they're gonna buy. Okay, I believe minimum 2 billion coins each exchange of these, or even more. I'm not gonna be in a shock if Binance will buy like 4 billion Kaspa coins. It's not gonna be in a, I'm not gonna be in a shock in that move. Okay, that's how we're gonna drive the demand. Okay, this is how we're gonna drive the demand, and we have fixed supply, and because the fixed supply and the high demand, the price is gonna skyrocket. Okay, because also this type of exchanges is like financial institutions, and they're waiting for price appreciation, especially this type of financial institutions, and not only these exchanges but also the financial institutions, when they're gonna realize the power of Kaspa, and that Kaspa will flip Ethereum and it's gonna be in the top two in the next coming years, they're gonna buy like crazy. Okay, you're gonna see here in the categories lots of Aquamans, couple Aquamans, not lots of, obviously, because if the price will explode, it's gonna be very very hard to beat here. Only billionaires would be able to be in this Aquaman category, but you're gonna see lots of handbags. Okay, this handbag category will increase a lot. Anyway, let's move into something that it's very interesting, and here you're gonna need to realize the difference within Kaspa and other REST cryptos. You're gonna realize here the power of community-driven project vs the other projects that is backed by venture capitalists, by insiders, by the team with pre-allocation coins and etc. So look at this. In Bybit announcement that happened before 2 days, look at the engagement of Kaspa. Power of community. Okay, look at this. And before a couple weeks, we saw Bybit, which listed the Kava, this project. Okay, look at the engagement of Kava. That's ridiculous. And look the engagement of Kaspa. It's almost 5 times or even more bigger. And Kava, guys, look at this. It's crazy. Kava, guys, is starting right now at 73 rank. How is starting at 73 rank with that stupid low engagement? It's starting there because it's backed by venture capitalists, by insiders, by pre-allocation coins. The majority of these coins of Kava belongs to other people rather than community, and these people are gonna actually dump on you. Okay, they're gonna take profit on you when the fees is gonna end there, and they're gonna buy like crazy the Kava. Okay, they're gonna dump you. This is something that's not happening in Kaspa. So you need to realize, you need to see the differences, and this is very, very great notice that this guy did. I didn't notice that, to be honest with you. Thanks to this guy that noticed this important difference. And right now, let's move into the main topic. As you can clearly see the title of the video, you're gonna need only 350 Kaspa coins to be in the 1% of the population if the global adoption will happen in Kaspa. So, do you realize how early we are? Look at this. I did that as a tweet. Is an early tweet. I didn't actually update it yet. How much Kaspa I say here do you need to be in the 1%? If you guys take the 28 billion coins and divide it with 8 billion coins, divided with 8 billion, which is the population of the humanity, and that 8 billion you multiply with 0.01, which is the 1%, you're gonna end up to each person need only 350 coins to belong in that 1%. So imagine how early we are right now. Some people actually don't realize that Kaspa is heading into the top two, maybe top one in the very, very, very distant future, when Kaspa will become the stateless money, because it's more useful than Bitcoin. Okay, people will use Kaspa more than Bitcoin in daily basis. So when Kaspa actually gonna be at that level after the hard forks, after the smart contracts, because Kaspa is available for smart contracts, is in the phase 2 after the hard forks of Dark Knight and Rustlang. Guys, we are about to see in Kaspa as a phase 2, as I said, smart contracts, where it's gonna take the game, guys, into another level. Ethereum is gonna be destroyed. No one will use Ethereum at that point. Everyone will go into the Kaspa because it's better. Okay, Kaspa is better. It's even better than Bitcoin. It's not comparable with anything else. The only comparable project for Kaspa is Bitcoin. But if you go and compare Bitcoin and Kaspa, Kaspa is almost in everything better. Bitcoin only has trust because it's operating over 14 years. Only that. If you for the other things, Kaspa is more scalable, obviously, because designed to be digital silver, designed to be to make Bitcoin scalable. It has the same principles as Bitcoin, the same protocols like proof of work. It's built on Nakamoto consensus. It has more robust security than Bitcoin because we exploit the orphan block, something that Bitcoin doesn't. Is cheaper, is faster, instant transaction confirmation. Everything is better for Kaspa, is Fairlands, is open source, the same things like Bitcoin, okay, obviously, but in the majority of things are quite better. It's like the Bitcoin with steroids. Kaspa is the Bitcoin with steroids. Kaspa is the Bitcoin 2.0, or otherwise the perfect Bitcoin. Exactly as Satoshi Nakamoto imagined a monetary system. This is Kaspa. Okay. So guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. This is why I'm telling you that we are so early right now. When all of these things are going to happen in the future, only with 350 coins, you would be in the 1% of the population. And I believe the majority of diamond hands, at least, they hold above 100,000 Kaspa coins. Okay, and we have got lots of guys in SAR category 2 because they were even earlier investors like me. So as you understand, even with very low Kaspa coins, if you are willing to hold and believe in that vision, you're gonna be very, very wealthy in the next coming years. This is something that I'm very convinced for. Okay, for Kaspa, I haven't seen since 2016 any project even close to Kaspa. Okay, so it is what it is. And also would like to tell you the safest way to store your Kaspa, guys, is a cold storage. Okay, I don't actually trust the web wallets and all of these things. I personally don't recommend you to use these web wallets because you need to be ultimate, to have an ultimate protection around how to use it. It's only for very, very, very experienced guys, because if you go into a fishy website or something scammy or whatever, if you go from a fishy Wi-Fi, you can get wrecked. Okay, so I recommend you cold storage, and my preference of the cold storage is, after a heavy investigation that I did, is the Tajum wallet, and with a discount code CryptoCrease, you can get 10% off, which is something very, very good for your pocket. You can buy with that 10% some Kaspa, and it's like the 350 coins, if I don't do any mistake. So you can be in the category of 1% in the future. in the global adoption by that 10%. Anyway, that's a joke. And otherwise, you can click here the link, and through the link, you're gonna have this code applied immediately. You won't have to write something or whatever. So yes, guys, I recommend you to the Tajam wallet. I prefer it over the others. And thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. And I will see ya all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.